In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 2420 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it here at the address bar of Google Chrome. So once you pasted it, click on the enter key and you would be navigated to this kind of window where here you need to proceed to this area where you can select your software and drivers below. So go with this driver universal print driver and if it will show you two results, select any of these two and click on the download aligning to it and in that way you can download it. Now in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Click on that one, and eventually you'll be able to see this downloaded file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to. So from here in this area, you need to copy it. So by that, make a right click, okay? And click on this cat icon. And once done, close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click here and go with paste. Now once you have pasted the zip file here, you need to make a right click and then this time please go with extract all or either use your WinRAR tool if you have one, then extract this one. So go with WinRAR and go with extract too. Once you click on it, wait until you'd be able to create a new file folder here at the desktop. Okay, so once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now here at the start, make a right click. Okay, then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here are the settings. Please proceed to the left side of it. There you can see Bluetooth and devices. Please click on this one. And here at the Bluetooth and devices section, please go with the printers and scanners. And there you can see add device. Click on it. The moment you click on it, wait until you'll get an option where you can add the printer manually. Once it's here, go with add manually. And in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please proceed with a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next button here. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Go with the next button. Go with have disk and you need to navigate to the browse. So here we need to proceed to the desktop where our extracted file is being placed. And then there we can see the extracted file double tapped. And eventually you can see a bunch of drivers. Select any of that and click on the OK button. And eventually you'll be able to see this one. Select any of that too. And here, please rename that into HP LaserJet space 2420. So once done renaming, please click on the next button and kindly wait until the installation would be done. Okay, so once you're done, click on next. Go with finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 2420 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.